When the power goes out, reliable lighting becomes essential. The best lights for power outages deliver dependable brightness, long battery life, and versatile functionality, ensuring your home stays illuminated and safe during unexpected blackouts or emergencies without any hassle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Lepro 1000 LM Outage Light. The Lepro 1000 LM Outage Light is a compact yet powerful lighting solution that shines brightly during power cuts or outdoor adventures. With a 360-degree beam angle producing 1,000 lumens, it provides exceptional brightness that easily illuminates large areas, making it ideal for camping, emergency use, or home backup lighting. The IP44 water-resistant construction ensures it performs well even in light rain or damp conditions, giving it reliability for outdoor use. One of its best features is the long playtime of up to 12 hours on a single charge, which makes it suitable for extended outages or nighttime activities. The lamp offers 4 versatile light modes: white, warm, combined, and flashing, allowing you to choose your preferred brightness and color temperature. The dimmable function, controlled with a simple press, gives you complete control over ambiance and energy efficiency. Whether you're setting up camp, dealing with an emergency, or looking for a dependable light source at home, the Lepro 1000 LM Outage Light delivers excellent value. Its combination of portability, long-lasting performance, and adjustable lighting options makes it a smart and practical choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 2. Consciot CO2 Outage Light. The Consciot CO2 Outage Light is a high-performance lantern designed for those who demand versatility, durability, and serious brightness. Offering an impressive 1,500 lumens of output with a full 360-degree beam angle, it evenly lights up any room, tent, or outdoor area with ease. The transparent diffusive cover softens the glow for comfortable use, while removing it gives you direct illumination when needed. This rechargeable lantern is powered via USB-C and even doubles as a power bank with its USB-A output, making it perfect for emergencies and travel. The Consciot CO2 stands out for its 5 lighting modes: cool white, warm white, combined white, red solid, and red strobe, offering unmatched flexibility for different environments. Its IPX4 water-resistant and shock-proof design ensures it withstands splashes and rough handling, making it dependable for camping, power outages, and outdoor adventures. The foldable handle and bottom hook allow for multiple hanging options, while the removable diffuser cap enhances the light spread when suspended upside down. Combining cutting-edge features, rugged construction, and efficient performance, the Consciot CO2 Outage Light is an all-around lighting solution that brings both reliability and convenience to any setting, whether at home or in the wild. Number 3. Coleman 1000L Outage Light. The Coleman 1000L Outage Light embodies dependability and performance, built for those who want a long-lasting and powerful emergency lantern. Featuring the brand's signature battery guard technology, it preserves battery life by preventing power drain and corrosion, ensuring your light is ready to use even after months in storage. The lantern offers 4 adjustable modes: high, medium, low, and flashing, allowing you to tailor the light intensity based on your needs. Its extended battery life and efficient design make it a practical choice for prolonged use without frequent replacements. The rugged construction ensures durability, while its water and impact-resistant housing allows it to perform reliably in harsh weather or rough conditions. Whether it's a storm, camping trip, or an unexpected outage, the Coleman 1000L Outage Light provides steady, dependable lighting. Its combination of brightness, long-term reliability, and sturdy build quality makes it one of the most trustworthy outage lanterns available, perfectly suited for households, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who value function and endurance. Number 4. Lichamp LED Outage Light. The Lichamp LED outage light offers a perfect blend of portability, versatility, and eco-friendly power options for those who need reliable lighting anytime, anywhere. This collapsible solar lantern folds down to the size of a smartphone, making it incredibly easy to store and carry during outdoor trips or emergencies. Built from military-grade ABS material, it's designed to withstand tough environments while being weather-resistant for consistent performance in rain or shine. The lantern features 3 light settings: 600 lumens bright white, 200 lumens standard white, and a warm orange glow, providing just the right level of illumination for different tasks. Its triple power source system, including USB charging, solar recharging, and optional AA batteries, ensures you're never left without light even when electricity is unavailable. The built-in rechargeable battery also doubles as a power bank to charge Android devices, adding valuable utility during emergencies or travel. Ideal for camping, home use, or power outages, the Lichamp LED lantern's wide application makes it a must-have for preparedness kits. Its combination of compact design, strong light output, and multiple charging options makes it a dependable lighting companion for stormy nights, hikes, and survival situations, ensuring you always have a reliable light source when you need it most. Number 5. Innofox 1500 LM Outage Light. The Innofox 1500 LM Outage Light is a powerful, weather-resistant lantern that ensures dependable illumination during emergencies, storms, or outdoor adventures. Delivering an impressive 1500 lumens of brightness, this LED lantern provides 360-degree coverage that lights up large rooms, tents, or yards effortlessly. It operates on 4D batteries, which are included, offering up to 72 hours of runtime, longer than most comparable lanterns. The light features 4 adjustable modes: high 1500 LM, medium 900 LM, low 500 LM, and night 90 LM, giving you flexibility for reading, relaxation, or emergency signaling. Built with an IPX4 water-resistant design, it can withstand rain, snow, and challenging outdoor conditions, making it perfect for camping trips, power outages, or workshop lighting. The sturdy build and efficient COB LED technology ensure long-lasting brightness with minimal power consumption. Conveniently designed with a built-in top handle for carrying and a bottom hook for hanging upside down, the Innofox lantern adapts easily to various settings, whether it's lighting up a tent, garage, or backyard. Combining high performance, durability, and user-friendly features, the Innofox 1500 LM Outage Light is a trusted lighting solution that offers peace of mind in any situation, providing powerful illumination whenever and wherever it's needed most. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.